welcome back to Gourmet Leftovers. Today we're going to be making a toasted veggie Denver sandwich. So we're going to throw in some roasted red pepper, some diced red onion, and some diced yellow pepper. Also, you could use a green pepper in there, but I just didn't have any. Throw in a few eggs and give it all a good stir. Now we're going to have a pan on medium-low heat, and then just add your egg mixture to that. You want to cook it nice and slow so you don't burn your eggs. And then top it off with whatever cheese you like. I'm using cheddar and mozzarella. Meanwhile, you can butter a couple pieces of toast and spread a little bit of mayonnaise on there. You could also add some salad and fresh tomatoes on there if you like. There we go. Fold up our sandwich, cut it in half, and enjoy. It's a really good breakfast sandwich with no meat. Gives you lots of energy to get your day started. If you like this video, then check out these other great videos. Have a really good day, and we'll see you next time.